I'm going to show how to perform descriptive statistics, how to calculate mean, median, and mode. So it's very easy by using SPSS. So first of all, open your data like this. So I have opened my data. So after that, you need to go to Analyze, and here is Descriptive Statistics. Go to Frequencies. So just for example, I'm going to take one of the variable. Okay, so you can take multiple variable at the same time as well. Now go to statistics, and here is mean, median, mode, and if you want to calculate standard deviation, variance, and range, you can also click here, minimum and maximum as well, depending on your needs. So click continue and just click OK. So it will automatically gives mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, range, maximum, and minimum. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this video is useful to you.